Very good morning, students. I am Adesh with my subject accountancy, chapter 4, change in profit sharing ratio among the existing partners, and the topic for today, investment fluctuation reserve. Till now, from the reserve concept, we have done two classes, and in those two classes, we have complete two type of reserve. First one is general reserve, and only the simple reserve, and second is workman compensation reserve. These two reserves we have covered, but today we will cover the investment fluctuations reserve. These three reserves are more important. Why it is so? But because in this chapter and as well as in next chapters, investment fluctuations reserve and all the reserves are important. So now today we are having the topic of investment fluctuation reserve. What is investment fluctuation reserve is that investment fluctuation reserve is that in fluctuation reserve which is used in a particular organization to cover the value of investment whenever the value is fall in investment due to the market value, or we can say market value is less than the book value, then to cover that value or to equalization the value of market and the book value, for that this reserve is used for those investment. If there is any fall in value in investment, so then that will be the loss of a firm. So if that is a loss of a firm and already they have invested, so to cover that loss, a firm prepare their investment fluctuation reserve. It is clear. So according to the book or according to the definition or meaning of investment fluctuation reserve is that investment fluctuation reserve is a reserve set aside from where? Out of profit से साइड में जो रिजर्व रखा जाता है वो इन्वेस्टमेंट फ्लक्चुएशन रिजर्व होता है, एंड टू मीट fall in the market value of investment. Whenever the investment value fall due to the market value, so to cover that value, investment fluctuation reserves is prepared out aside from a profit. ओके, प्रॉफिट से निकाला जाता है रिजर्व, और इन्वेस्टमेंट में की वैल्यू में जो फ्लक्चुएशन होता है, जो चेंजेस होता है, उस चेंजेस को कवर करने के लिए इस रिजर्व्स का यूज़ होता है. दैट्स वाई द वैल्यू ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट रिमेन फिक्स्ड. Okay, so according to the word of this definition, investment is that thing whenever any person lend their amount to the outside of the business towards the earning of a profit or earning of interest. Okay, so investment is that when a lender give amount for the earning purpose to any outsider, and the fluctuation fluctuation means it is changeable. Changeable means value not fixed. Values is variable. Values change according to the situations or according to the market. It's depend on the market. So when investment fluctuation means the value in investment is fluctuating due to the situation or due to the market condition, and reserves is it is a fund. So investment fluctuation reserve or investment fluctuation fund is prepared to remain constant the value of investment. If there is any change in the market value and book value of the investment, so that value can be covered by the investment fluctuation reserve. It is clear? So investment fluctuation reserves all have you clear? So it is prepared outside, set outside of profit to meet fall in market value of investment. इन्वेस्टमेंट की वैल्यू में जो कमी होती है ड्यू टू मार्केट वैल्यू जो कम हो जाती है बुक वैल्यू के कंपैरिजन में इन्वेस्टमेंट की, उस वैल्यू को कवर करने के लिए, उस वैल्यू को पूरा करने के लिए हमने जो प्रॉफिट से रिजर्व रखा हुआ था आउटसाइड, उस रिजर्व को whenever we use, so that is the investment fluctuation reserves. So here are different type of reserve, different type of situations may be arise regarding this for investment fluctuation reserves. So what are the treatment we have to do to cover this investment value, whatever the value fall in the investment? Okay, so let's see the different situations whatever there. According to that, how can we do the accounting treatment of investment fluctuation reserve and what the situations may be generated over there. So first situation is there when the investment values are changed. So first one is when market value of investment is equal to book value. We can say there is no change in the market value of investment, no any raise or no any fall in a market value of investment. Market value investment equals to book value. Okay, so what the treatment will be there? So whatever the reserves will be there in our book, in our accounting, so those reserves is distributed among the partners in their old profit share ratio if they have written off. So the journal entry will pass investment fluctuation reserve IFR. We can write this thing also in a short form. Account debit to partners capital or current account according to the method of capital. Okay, if there is fluctuating capital account method, so then capital we have to write. If there is fixed capital account method, then we have to write current. Okay, and it is distributed among the partner in the old profit share ratio. It means old ratio when the book value and the market value will remain same. So this journal entry will pass. It is clear, student? Next one is when market value of investment is lower than book value. Here was equal, but market value lower than book value. Market value जब कम हो जाती है comparison to book value. Book value is that value on which value we have written in our accounting books. It means we can say that is the cost of our investment. Book value we can say that is a cost of our investment. Okay, so investment are recorded in our accounting on cost. Okay, but when they're due to the market situation, the market value of those investment is fall or change. So that's why what the treatment will be there for this. So here are some three possibilities are also there. What are the three possibilities are? If I am writing three possibilities, may be there when this situation is there. Okay, अगर हमारे यहाँ पर मार्केट वैल्यू कम हो जाती है कंपैरिजन टू बुक वैल्यू, तब हमारी तीन सिचुएशंस, तीन पॉसिबिलिटीज़ जनरेट हो सकती हैं. कौन कौन सी हो सकती हैं? फर्स्ट, फॉल इन वैल्यू ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट is less than, here we talking about the investment. Okay, when the fall in value of investment, not IFR is still included, only we are talking about the investment. So here fall in value of investment is less than IFR. Have you got it? It means, for example, IFR is 10,000. IFR is 10,000 in our books, whatever we have recorded till now. But the value of investment is fall. वो 6,000 वैल्यू उसकी कम हो जाती है. तो इट मीन, तो इन्वेस्टमेंट वैल्यू जो फॉल हुई है दैट इज लेस देन IFR. IFR 10,000 है, लेकिन इन्वेस्टमेंट वैल्यू 6,000 से कम हुई है. देन what will be the journal entry we will pass in our accounting? So we will pass the journal entries: investment fluctuation reserve, account debit to investment, these are the reserves, and these reserves should be distributed among the partners. It is clear according to all profit share ratio, whatever the entry we have done at the top or the above this entry we have passed out investment fluctuation reserve account debit to partners capital or current account. It means whenever no change in their investment value, so then these investment fluctuation reserve is distributed among the partner according to their old profit share ratio. But if we having the IFR, so then that IFR will be distributed among the partners in their old profit share ratio. But here is the other condition, means investment value is also fall. Investment value is fall means whatever the investment value is goes down, so then investment will be credit. When the investment values goes down, so that is assets, and assets is reduced, then that assets will be credit. If the value of assets will be increased, so then investment or that assets will be debit. Okay, so that's why here the value of investment fall down, so that's why investment are credited over here. But according to IFR, that IFR is debited because we are going to write off these IFR from our book. And for example, I have taken the book value, sorry, here IFR value 10,000 and the investment value goes down by 6,000. So it means we will write 10,000 over here and 6,000 here. Are you got it? IFR was 10,000. It is a assumed value. It is a assumed value, not a book value is given, or not any particular question is given regarding this. I have assumed this value IFR is 10,000, but value fall in investment, that is 6,000. 6,000 rupees. Whatever the values fall. So then investment will credited by 6,000 and remaining amount will distribute to partners capital or current account. Okay, this 4,000 rupees will distribute among the partner in old profit sharing ratio. It is clear to all? So these values are assumed value. Okay, it is not a given value. So that's why IFR of 10,000, it will distribute among the partner, but there is a fall in investment, that's why investment will credit it, and these investments are covered by this IFR. Okay, this definition is completed according to this journal entry, whatever the definition I have written above. So that definition or meaning is covered by this journal entry, you can see clearly. Next one is, next condition may be there according to fall in value of investment, fall in value of investment is investments is equals to IFR, means these are the value of 10,000, this is assumed value, and fall in value, that is also 10,000. Now you can do this journal entry by yourself if you have understand this journal entry clearly. What the journal entry we have to pass out? Yes, IFR will be debited, investment fluctuation reserve account debited, and to investment account. Okay student, why it is so? Because the investment IFR is 10,000 given in question, and the fall in value it is equal to this one, so that's why investment will be credited by 10,000. Okay, C point, fall in value of investment is more than IFR. IFR 10,000 then, and fall in value that is 15,000. Then what will be the journal entry we will pass over here? What the journal entry we will pass in this situation? IFR will be debited, IFR account debit according to the situation, and to investment. These two journal entry will be passed. Investments account. Why it is so? Because investments are investment value is falling. If investment value is falling, so that it will be credit, and IFR have to distribute among the partners. So 10,000 will be there. IFR, whatever the value is given in question, that value we have to write in front of the IFR, and investment will credit according to 15,000. Why it is so? Because 15,000 rupees value fall in investment, but the IFR only 10,000. So that 5,000 from where we have to cover. So this is the loss of the firm, and if it is loss, then this loss will be debited by revaluation account, debit 5,000. Have you got it? And this thing, this is the first journal entry according to this situation, and the second journal entry will pass to whatever the revaluation account is open. So that revaluation amount is also distributed among the distributing among the partners in their old profit share ratio. If revaluation account is debited over here, then that will be credited, okay, and the partner will debit it. So partners capital or current account debit, and 2 revaluation account, it will distribute among the partner in old ratio. This 5,000 we will distribute in old ratio. This 5,000 will right here. These are the treatment of investment fluctuation reserves, and these are too important also, okay. So some important points I am underlining over here. So now you can see, when the market value lower than the book value, then 3 possibilities are there. First one is when value of investment fall, value of investment less than IFR. IFR से जब कम होगी ये वैल्यू, then what will be the journal entry? This journal entry we have to pass out. Fall in value, fall value of investment is equals to IFR. जब भी हमारी इन्वेस्टमेंट की वैल्यू कम होती है और वो IFR के बराबर कम होती है, मतलब 10,000 रुपये हमारा IFR है और 10,000 की वैल्यू ही कम होती है इन्वेस्टमेंट में. इन्वेस्टमेंट पहले 1 लाख के थे, अब 90,000 के हो गए, तो 10,000 की वैल्यू कम हो जाती है, तो वो 10,000 की वैल्यू इस IFR के इक्वल है. इफ़ सो देन this journal entry will pass. IFR will be adjusted with the investment. There is no balance in IFR, so that it will not be distributed among any partner. Next one is full value in investment is more than the IFR. अगर IFR से ज़्यादा वैल्यू कम हो रही है इन्वेस्टमेंट की, इट मीन्स 10,000 का IFR हमारे गिवन है लाइबिलिटी साइड में बैलेंस शीट में, और इन्वेस्टमेंट हमारे जो वैल्यू है वो 15,000 कम हो जाती है, मीन्स पहले 1 लाख के थे, अब 85,000 रुपीज़ के इन्वेस्टमेंट्स हैं. सो देन दिस जनरल एंट्री वी विल पास हेयर. IFR will distribute among the partner according to that. 10,000 it will be debited. Why? Because we are writing off the IFR. If we are writing off the IFR or the liability, that it will be debit. Then we have to adjust this according to investment. Why it is so? Because the value of investment is falling down. So 15,000 and 5,000 balance, it will be generate a revaluation account. New account will be open. It is a nominal account. So all the gain and or losses are adjusted in revaluation account. Why it is so? Because it is a nominal in nature, and profit and losses are also a nominal nature. That's why we open a revaluation account. Revaluation account, why? Because here the investment values are revalued. दोबारा से उनकी वैल्यूड को किया गया. That's why we have open a revaluation account, and that whatever the loss is there, that loss is also distributed among the partner. 10 also will come over here. Okay, so that revaluation 5,000 will distribute to the partners in their capital or current account in old profit share ratio. Have you cleared these students? So related to this concept, I have a question. So we will see that question, and I will read that, and all the condition I will write in that question. You have to solve at your home at that question. If you find any query, then we will discuss. Related to all these concepts, when the practical question or the numerical concept we will start, so then I will solve questions related to all concept. So let's see the question I am writing. Related to IFR, all the informations or the treatment of accounting we have done. So once again I'm showing you one thing. On this point I want to do more focus. Why it is so? Because the IFR is treated or do the transaction related to only the falls in the market value of investment. If the value is increased, so then the investment will separate. Okay, so the value of investment will increase, so investment will debit, and this is the revenue nature of income of this business, and it is nominal nature of this nominal nature of account will be there. So then that will be adjusted with the revaluation account. So I am talking about only the full value, and all the treatment of IFR related to IFR I have done in full values in investment. Okay, if the value of investment is increased, then what the transaction will be there. Okay, two concepts we have clear over here. First one is when market value of investment is equal to book value, and second one when market value of investment is lower than book value. But third condition must be there. The third condition should be when market value of investment is more than book value. If the market value of investment is more than the book value. Third concept is when market value of investment is more than the बुक वैल्यू, नोट IFR. यहाँ पे ध्यान रखना है, यहाँ पे हम अब तक IFR लिख रहे थे सभी जगह, बट लेकिन यहाँ पर मैं बुक वैल्यू लिखूँगा, क्योंकि बुक वैल्यू में अगर के कंपैरिजन में मार्केट वैल्यू ज़्यादा हो जाती है, तो देन व्हाट विल बी द ट्रीटमेंट. सो यहाँ पर हमारी 3 जनरल एंट्री पास होंगी. फर्स्ट वन इज़ IFR जो भी दिए होंगे. सो IFR अकाउंट डेबिट टू पार्टनर्स कैपिटल और करंट अकाउंट. Whatever the IFR will be there, that will be distributed among the partner in old profit sharing ratio. Okay, IFR treatment will be this. And if second condition, investments are increased, then it is assets, and assets is increased, so it will debit. So investment account debit, and 2 new account will open, that is revaluation. There is no relation with the IFR as it is distributed among the partner, and then the new account is opened with the investment when the value is increased. Okay, so this value we will write over here, and then this revaluation again distributed among the partner in the old profit share ratio. Okay, so this journal entry I am doing at the bottom of this third entry. So this third entry will revaluation account debit to partners capital or current account in old ratio. Whatever the revaluation amount will be there, that revaluation amount will be debit and partner capital account will credit. Okay, so this adjustment will be there. So I have questions, so according to that question we will solve all these transaction or treatment of the IFR and the investment. Let's see the question. I have this question which you have to solve at your home. All the conditions are given in this question. So if you find any query, then you will ask by my by phone call or by on WhatsApp. So the question is, A, B and C sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 4:3:2 decided to share future profits and losses in the ratio of 2:3:4. This is the old profit share ratio 4:3:2, which is used by the partner earlier, old ratio, and decided to share future profits and losses in the ratio of 2:3:4. So this is the new profit share ratio among the partner. So according to this, old ratio and new ratio with effect from 1st April 2020 and extract of their balance sheet as at 31st March 2020 is, and there is balance sheet in which they have given liability investment fluctuation reserve. This is the reserve, so this is the liability and amount, and then assets investment at cost rupees 2 lakh. Show the accounting treatment under the following alternative cases. There are different 5 alternative cases. According to that, we have to do the treatment of IFR and the investment. First one, case first, when there is no other information. Other information is not there, then investment fluctuation reserve is distributed among the partner in the old profit share ratio. Case 2, when market value of investment is 2 lakh. Investment is 2 lakh and next market value is also 2 lakh. Both the values are equal. So then the same journal entry will pass as it is done in case 1. So in case 2, same journal entry will pass. Case third, when market value of investment is 1,91,000 but the investment are 2 lakh, 9,000 से वैल्यू रिड्यूस हो रही है, तो IFR अकाउंट डेबिट टू